Right, hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own professional looking website in about 5 minutes. So, we're going to be using Expression Web, Microsoft Expression Web. I'll put a link in the description for the download. It's free for a 30-day trial, but it seems like it lasts forever. Seems like it lasts for about a year or something, but when you open it, when you get it, click File, New, then click HTML, and it'll come up with this page. Now, in the other things, I'm teaching you coding. I know how to do all this like fluently, but some people out there are like, oh, I want to just do a website where it does do the code and stuff, but I can just drag and drop and all stuff like that. So you're going to click Design View down here, and now I'm going to show you a website where you can get a CSS menu such as this. Like when you hover over it, it changes something. You're going to go to a website called CSSMenumaker.com. It'll be in the description. Now, when you've done that, it'll load up like this. Then, if you want a drop-down menu, so when you hover over it, it drops down. Then you click drop-down menu up here. This little link. It takes you to loads of them. Or you can click horizontal one, which is just like you hover over it and it goes across. Which I'm going to use. I'll use this one here. There's loads of different designs, and you get little plugins and stuff. This is a sample of what it looks like. Now you type in your email address, and then download source code. And if you go to your email address that you typed in, and then log in, it will have an email saying from CSS Menu Maker or something like that. Right. Now, when you log in, you're going to go to a new mail. It won't be in trash or anything like that. It's a bit low. See, I've got one new mail. Now, it's going to be. I think it's from like CSS Menu Maker or someone like that. But yeah, when you typed in you have to be the email. I don't just send to. Wait for load. There we go. CSS Menu Maker it's called. Then it come up a little link, just like this. This is a download link. Click it, and it starts to download. And then when you save it, I don't want to save it, but when you do save it, I'll just show you what I have to do to mine. Don't worry about these top three here. You just get a single file like this, where you saved it. You right click. You need WinRAR, by the way. Right click it, extract here, and it'll come up with index, images, and menu style. Menu style is the bit where you just hover over it. The menu stuff says it in its name. The menu style. So, for example, hover effects, the font size, color, stuff like that, and it changes the images when you hover over it. And the images are here, and the actual page is here. It won't come up with all this white background, body, and this. It only come up with the menu over here going across. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to right click it, and you're going to click open with, then Microsoft Expression Web, but I've already done that. But I'm going to show you from scratch, okay? That's only if you want to get a menu. So, what I want to do is you click Toolbox over here. If you haven't got it, you click I think it's File. No, I think it's somewhere around View. No, it's somewhere around here. This one's different to this one's different to the program I use. It's called hold on, it's called Visual Basics. It's similar to that, but it should be already there. It's just called Toolbox. But this is, most people go on a website and they're like, oh, that's professional, and it's like all over here. You've got a little bit of border, thin little border going around. It's all white and background colours. That it looks like it's got a little shadow kind of. So to do this, you'll go into here. You go into go to your toolbox, scroll up, paragraph, div, and just insert a div. So in that way, code this bit because you can't really insert it. You're gonna do div style equals border, which is thin. I would recommend thin or medium if you want a shadow, bigger shadow, and we want it flat and solid. And I'll make the padding 10 pixels. Now you've got the div. You just go into your design view, and there it is. Now to do this, you're going to just click it, like click this bit here. You're gonna get these and just drag it down as far as you want. Save. Now you're gonna save it as index if it's your title home page, but I just call it start tutorial.html. Now don't do it as a HTML file, do it as all files because you might want to add like JavaScript and stuff in there later on. You just I'll save it to my documents. Now if I go to documents, see tutorial, if I open it, there it is. But if I change the background colour, which I'll show you in another tutorial, it kind of like makes it look more professional. So if we go to the head tag, do a style, make the body background colour grey. So we do 999, and then we just end it. Now if we save, Control C, and refresh, it looks better. Now as you can see, this bit here, like inside the border, it's still that. But so we'll be going back into our div style, and just after the semicolon, we do space, background colour, then equals, and we do white. So FFF, then semicolon, save, refresh, and there you go, it's white. And you can move it all over the place and just like adjust it in all different sizes and things like that. So that's how you make that. Now we want to make like add text in the center and like things like that. So you're going to go into here, click design view, or you can do it in code. You just write it in between there and just do with it simple bold tags, center tags, underline, and all the ones I taught you in another thing. Or you can make life much easier. Go to toolbox, go to a paragraph, click it, and type whatever you want. So just like, hello, this is my website. And enter, and you can do that. Then you can center it by highlighting it, click center, bold, if it's underline, and if you save it, refresh, there you go. That's how this is. And then you just like just create what you want. Remember, if you do get that style thing, that CSS menu maker, it'll be up there below it, above it, and you can also drag that into the middle and change all the text on them. And yeah, that's how you make a quite a good looking website, like the start of it. Thanks for watching, I hope to help.